everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Parpita Paul and I am back again with another new video. And today I will tell you how you can set time duration in your online test using Google Forms. Okay, so let's move on to the video. So for that you have to open the Google Form first, then you have to create a blank form, that means the web page for your online test, which I have already created. You can see here computer online test. So I am going to add the timing or the time duration in my test. So you can see the form is already ready here. Okay, so to add the timing, what you need to do, I have to click here and I have to click on the add-ons option. Okay, so once another window is opening, so we have to wait. Okay, so now the window has appeared. So here we have to write Timify. Okay, timify.me. So we'll click on this and we will click on the timify.me to install it. We have to install this Timify add-on. For that we have to click on the install option, then continue. So another window is opening for the permission and other thing which we need to allow. We have to accept all those things. Then only we can set the time. So I have to sign in my Google account. I have to choose the Google account using which I want to use this Timify.me. So I am selecting this one. So it is signing in with my selected account. So I am allowing all these permissions. So we have to wait. Okay, so you can see it is installing. So it is showing Timify.me has been installed. So I have to click on next. So this is additional setup. For additional setup we have to click here. So we will click here, complete additional setup. We will click on the link and it will lead you to another window, which is Timify.me app. So here I have to register myself with my mail ID. So my mail ID is already displayed here as I have selected my mail ID. So I am providing my name here, my last name. Then I have to select the purpose. For personal purpose or for business purpose I am using this. So I am selecting personal. If you are using for business, then you will select the business or organization. And here for what purpose, what is the usage objective, I am selecting education. If you are doing it for any other purpose, then you will select the option. So here it is showing subscribe to our occasional emails, which I am not selecting, and I need to set the password. So here is my password. So I have clicked on save my account. So setup is done. Now what we need to do, so it is showing I want to save it or not. So I am saving it. You can skip this option also. So what we need to do, copy the secure token. So I am copying this token. Select this and press Ctrl C. Now all the descriptions are given here what we need to do. Now we have to get back to our Google Form option and we have to click on this add-on option and we have to select Timify.me from there and we have to click on the configure option. Okay, so this window has appeared. So here we have to paste our link. So I have pasted it and I am clicking on connect option. Now it is showing enable Timify.me for this form. So I am clicking on this option. Okay. So you can see it is showing add-on enabled. So once it is enabled, we have to move back to Timify.me is web page. So here you can see this is how it will look like once Timify.me is added in your Google Form. Now we have to go to this option create test. So I am clicking on this option create test. Type and paste the names or the email. So here I will provide the email address against which I am conducting the test. So I am providing my email address. So I will get a mail in this email address. Okay, so that is why I am providing this. So time duration I am setting 1 minute just for test, because we need to check if it is actually working or not. So auto close from when time is over, this we will select, because using this it will be automatically closed once the time is over. Okay, another thing, if you need, then you will add it or select it. Then I am clicking on the create option. So it is created. So I am copying the URL. Here the option is coming copy URL. So I am copying the URL. Now we will share the link either in the WhatsApp group or in the Google Classroom or any other application. So here in the Google Classroom I am sharing computer online test link, Control V. So here is the link I am posting. Okay, so this is how the students will get the link. Now once the students are clicking on the link, it will lead them to the web page. Okay, so computer online test, you can see here it is showing 1 minute and the information or the warning is provided here. This form will be automatically closed when the time is over. Your answer will not be submitted automatically once the form closes. Please make sure to submit your answers before time runs out. Okay. So once I am clicking on the open the form option, it will lead me to another window and the time will be started. Okay, so I am clicking on the open the form option. You can see it's opening. So time will start immediately. You can see it's showing. So here I have to fill up all the details. First I am answering 4 byte. Here I have to provide my name. So I am providing my name, Arpita Paul. Then correct answer I am selecting. So this one we don't need to do anything. Submission ID, this will remain same. Class I am providing 7B. Roll number 03. So as I have completed my work, so I am clicking on the submit option. So this is how it will look like in your end, that means in students end. Thank you, your form was successfully submitted. Now how it will look like in teachers end, let me show you. So I am clicking on the option and you can see the responses here. Okay, so here whatever response you will get against the test, that will be recorded. So I am clicking on the response. So I am moving on to individual to see it separately. So I have got 3 responses here, so that is why it is showing 1 of 3. So this is the first one. So I am moving on to the second one and the third one. Last one I want to see. So I have moved on to the third one and you can see here Arpita Paul 7B, roll number 3, and all the answers are correct. Okay, this is how easily you can conduct online test using Google Form, and you can set the time duration for your online test. Okay, I hope this video will help you. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have any video suggestion, please mention it in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.